lost tree. Once there lived a squirrel under a big green tree. It was beginning to turn cold, so she started burying nuts under the tree. When all the nuts were buried under the big green tree, the squirrel decided to take a vacation. After 2 weeks, when she returned, the squirrel could not find her big green tree. She got worried. Next morning, the squirrel started her search again. She was very hungry and was desperately searching for some food. Suddenly, she met her friend, the frog, and told him the whole story. The frog asked her, "Where did you bury the nuts?" The squirrel replied, "Under the big green tree. But now there is a big yellow tree. My green tree has gone." The frog said, "Do you know that leaves change color in autumn? Your green tree has become yellow." When the squirrel looked for her buried nuts, she found them under the big yellow tree. She happily dug them all up. The Cock and the Pearl. A cock was once strutting up and down in a farmyard. Suddenly, he saw something shining on the ground. "Oh," said the cock, "what is this shiny little thing?" The shining thing was a pearl. The cock stared at the pearl closely. He pecked at it and scratched it a couple of times. The pearl rolled a few inches away from the cock's foot and landed next to some barley grains that the hens had missed. The cock went to gobble up those barley grains, but his foot slipped on the pearl. The cock turned around to look at the strange-looking seed again. He eyed the pearl suspiciously. Upon pecking again, it did not break open. The cock gave a cluck of disgust. He said, "You may be a treasure for mankind, but for me, I would rather have the grains of barley." The Foolish Wolf. Once a watchdog was lying in the sun in front of a farmyard gate. A wolf who was passing by stealthily pounced upon the watchdog. The scared dog begged for his life and said, "Sir, please leave me, as I have just recovered from a long illness. I am very thin and weak. Let me become fat after feeding on the rich food that I get here. Then you can come and eat me." The wolf believed the dog's words and went away. The dog thanked God and decided not to sleep in an unsafe place again. After a few days, the wolf came to the farm again looking for the dog. This time, the dog was lying very safely on the roof. On seeing the dog, the wolf said, "Hope you remember your promise, so come down and be my meal." The dog said, "Who makes such promises? Get lost, Mr. Wolf." The wolf went away, repenting over his foolishness. The Brave Birds. A gannet and a sea duck were arguing over whether mermaids exist or not. They decided to search the bottom of the sea. They dived deep down under the sea. First, they saw colorful fish, then medium-sized fish, and then large fish. Soon, they dived so deep in the sea that they could not see anything due to the darkness. Both the birds got terribly scared and immediately returned to the surface. The duck decided to carry torch in the next trip. The two birds started their journey again. When they reached deep into the sea, they switched on their torch. When the dark sea was lit up, they saw that they were surrounded by mermaids. The mermaids told them that they thought the gannet and the duck were scared because last time they left so quickly. But when they returned, the mermaids became very happy. They congratulated them on their bravery. At last, the gannet and the duck became great friends with the mermaids.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.